Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $10,000 a month using nothing but Google search. This is one of the best side hustles you'll come across this year, and you don't need a huge social media following or a big budget to get started. So, let's dive in. Did you know there are over 999,000 searches on Google every second? That's over 8.8 billion searches every 24 hours. Google dominates the search engine market, and this opens up a massive opportunity for us to make money. The first step in this method is to pick a profitable niche. You want something specific that targets a particular audience. Let's use a tool like ChatGPT to help us brainstorm some ideas. Look at these suggestions: smart home devices for pet owners, gaming chairs for streamers, and digital nomad backpacks. For this example, let's go with digital nomad backpacks. It's less competitive and has great potential. Next, we need a website to showcase our affiliate products. I recommend using Hostinger's AI website builder. It's fast, easy, and affordable. Just type in your website's name, the type of site, and a short description. In under 90 seconds, you'll have a professional website ready to go, complete with AI-generated content and images. Now, let's create some content that will rank on Google. We're going to use ChatGPT again to generate SEO-friendly blog posts that include affiliate links. These posts will guide visitors to products they're already searching for, leading to purchases through our links. Remember to refine the AI-generated content to avoid detection and ensure it's accurate. This will help your site rank higher and convert better. To get traffic, we need to target the right keywords. Use Google's auto-suggest feature to find long-tail keywords that are easier to rank for. This strategy will help your blog posts climb to the top of search results. The more specific your keywords, the better your chances of ranking high and getting more visitors. Finally, let's find products to promote. You can sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche through marketplaces like Impact, Share a Sale, or PartnerStack. Simply join these programs, get your affiliate links, and integrate them into your blog posts. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can start earning money online with Google search. It might not happen overnight, but with consistency and effort, you could be making thousands each month. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments how much you're aiming to make this year. Subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.